Guys, welcome back to my channel Accountitude. Continuing with the theory concepts of partnership fundamentals, there is another question in front of us. Partnership is the relationship between the persons who have agreed. First point is to share the profits of a business. A business over here is needed to be a legal business and it must have been carried on by all or any of them acting for all. If there are three partners, it might be the case that one partner is carrying on the business and another are silent, and it might be the case that all of them may be working actively in the business. Now, the second question is Section Dash of Indian Partnership Act 1932 has defined the partnership, that is Section 4. Then, partnership is defined under Section Dash of Indian Contract Act 1872. It is defined under Section 239. Now, the next question is it compulsory for a partnership to have a partnership deed and registration? So, the answer is it's not necessary that they should have a deed. In case they don't have a deed, then Partnership Act 1932's provision would be applicable, and also it is not compulsory for the partnership firm to get itself registered. Next question is the partners who have entered into the partnership firm, sorry, the persons with one another individually, they are called partners, and collectively they are named as partnership firm. The next question is Partnership Act 1932 is silent on the dash of the partners, that is the maximum number of the partners, but minimum number Partnership Act 1932 has defined it to be 2. Under which act the maximum limit of partner is given and how many? Now we have discussed that under Partnership Act 1932 no maximum limit is defined, but maximum limit is defined as per Companies Rule 2014 that it could be 50 partners only. Okay, thank you Accountitude. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.